Okay, so it did its 4 minutes in the microwave, and then it said it needed to sit for 2 additional minutes. Ooh, that's hot. So let's see here. Get a towel to grab that out. Do you guys suffer from the same condition as me? Too many appliances on your counter, so therefore you have to like maneuver things? All right, so now we're gonna come over here. And I'm gonna take the lid off. The egg is still whole, so that's good. It didn't explode. So let's drain this water off. Maybe roll our egg out gently. Okay, so some cold water here. I'm gonna grab this egg. Cool it down a little. It's way too hot to eat, but we can see if it's hard boiled. Huh? Looks like the skin's gonna come off pretty easy. But I'd imagine the true test will be, what does the yolk look like, right? So sorry, I'm peeling this one-handed because I gotta hold the other one. A little bit of the meat of the egg came off in that one. All right, so we're gonna come over here. Here, let's just take a look here. We just made a marinade for these shoulder steaks for dinner. It's onion, green onion, jalapeno, barbecue sauce, and some endoy sauce, and a little bit of soy sauce. Mmm, smells yummy. Okay, back to the egg. All right, so now we're gonna cut and see what the yolk looks like. Babe, hold my egg.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. There you have it. A perfect yolked egg. 4 minutes, half power, in the microwave, covered in water. As long as you prick the end and you let it sit for 2 minutes after it's finished, you can do hard-boiled eggs in the microwave.